We started our day with warm breakfast here at Phakding. Today we are headed to Namche Bazaar, the heart of Khumbu region. It takes 5 to 6 hours for a standard speed walker. Right after is the Phakding waterfall, named after the village. We didn't get in, water was really cold. The journey is a gradual ascent to help our body acclimatize. The trail will take us through pine forest, suspension bridges, along the majestic Dudhkosi River. Along the path, we cross several decorated tea houses and shops, all unique in style. They were selling the local products like apple and spices, including imported packaged goodies for tourists. The suspension bridges are the backbone on this trail. They help to connect villages with one another. They are covered with prayer flags. In Buddhist tradition, flags represent 5 elements. Each flag has prayer printed on it. The desire is for the wind to carry those prayers to surrounding area, creating goodwill, compassion, and harmony among people, animals, and plants. As we climb up, the air gets cooler and the view gets more dramatic. It is easy to forget the efforts when scenery are so beautiful. Sagarmatha National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park is the sanctuary for rare species like the snow leopard and red panda, though sightings are very rare. Officially, the trekking season starts in October. But the human and animal traffic was equally heavy by the end of September this year. The Himalayas Suspension Bridge is one of the most iconic landmarks along the Everest Base Camp trek. It is named after Sir Edmund Hillary for his contribution to the region. He was one of the first climbers to summit Mount Everest. This bridge is one of the highest and longest bridges in the region. On the older bridge, commercial bungee jump is available for thrill seekers. Hillary Bridge connects trekkers to Namche Bazaar, the famous Namche uphill climb starts right after the breeze. This part of the trek is very challenging. As we are gaining altitude, my efforts to catch my breath is becoming harder. Others were checking their oxygen saturation. It took us 8 hours to cover 10 kilometers, which is 6.5 miles. And here we are at the Sagarmatha National Park checkpost, right before Namche Bazaar. As we enter each village, the trekking pass has to be certified and stamped by the officials. At this location, I noticed that the returning trekkers can volunteer to carry a bag of non-biodegradable waste to Lukla, where they will be processed. Each bag is 1 kg. It is a waste management effort initiated by Sagarmatha Pollution Control Committee. Our group right there and then committed to carry waste on our way back. We all felt an urge to support local initiative and keep Sagarmatha clean. Finally, we made it to Namche Bazaar. It's foggy, cold, and windy here. This is where we will rest and acclimatize for a day before heading further up the trail. Namche is not just a stopover, it's an experience. The warm hospitality of the locals and the stunning view of Kangderi and Thamserku, it is a highlight of the trek. Thank you for joining me today. It was a tough day, but we made it. And in the evening, we went around Namche Bazaar. Tomorrow, we're going to explore Namche Bazaar. Like, comment, and subscribe to follow the rest of the trek with us.